Hello friends, I am Depeeka. Today we will learn about repetitive control structures. So the repetitive control structure RCS is sometimes referred as iterative structures. RCS is groupings of code which are designed to repeat a set of related statements. Repetitive control structures are further divided into three types: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Let's discuss them one by one. Let's first go with for loop. A for loop is used to repeat a specific block of code a known number of times. Example is music playlist. While you have a song that's available to be played, it will keep going through your song list and stop when there is no more music that can be listened to. So this code for the for loop. Firstly, we have initialized n with 5, then we defined expression from 1 to n, which means 5, and in for body we are printing Java is fun. This will give us output statement Java is fun 5 times. Next we have while loop. The while loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Example is user input. If we want to ask a user for a number between 1 and 10, we don't know how many times the user may enter a larger number, so we keep asking while the number is not between 1 and 10. This is code of while loop. Firstly, we have defined I equal to 1. Then we execute while loop which has condition of I less than equal to 5. Which means this loop will execute until this condition will be true, means 5 times, and at the 6th time condition will be false, so it will stop the loop. Finally, this gives output I from 1 to 5. Loop. The do while loop is an exit-controlled loop, where even if the test condition is false, the loop body will be executed at least once. And its example is menu on the screen. If you want the code to output some sort of menu to a screen so that the menu is guaranteed to show once. This is code for understanding the do while loop. Firstly, we have defined do block in which we have asked user to input any number and sum it. It will must run once, then it will check the while condition which says execute while till user didn't input 0. So it gives output by sum of number uns are entered in each iteration till 0. Most people confused between while and do while. So let's discuss main difference between while and do while, as they are very much similar. But the major difference is while only executes when condition is true. However, do while must executes once. One more difference is while loops checks the loop test condition before entering the loop, where do while checks loop test condition after executing do body once. This is all from my side. Hopefully this video will help you guys. Thank you.